Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know that many of you are self-published authors and you struggle to sell books on Amazon KDP. So just stick around as I am going to provide some valuable insights to help you maximize success on KDP. Today I'm going to show you 2 free plugins that assist with visibility and sales. So let's get straight into it. So just head over to Google. In Google, you want to type in AMC Suggestion Expander. And once you type it in, you will be taken to this page. And let's just see what this provides. We can see it's a Chrome extension to expand the number of search suggestions that are shown on the Amazon search bar. And it's for Amazon sellers and it's free, guys. This Chrome extension expands the number of search suggestions that are shown in the Amazon search bar by showing the keywords that Amazon would suggest before and after the keywords you have entered. So this can help a lot in terms of determining what keywords you should use when you are seeking to sell your books and what are some of the tag words that you should include in your cover when you are deciding on the title of your books or the subtitles. So once you have entered this page, all you have to do is select Add onto Chrome and it will be added automatically to your Amazon page. Let's look at the other plugin. Right, so once you type in Titan's quick review, it will take you to this page and you simply select install. This provides you with niche and keyword research information and provides Amazon quick review on bestseller ranking data and other information that can assist you in determining what niche you may want to go into, what keywords you would want to use when you are selling your book. Now, guys, remember that keywords are extremely important when you are selling your books because this is what helps your books to be recognized. So once you have downloaded your plugins, head over to the Amazon page. Firstly, if you type in any category here, you will get a further breakdown. So you just type in a keyword here. I'm going to type in health. As we can see, there are various suggestions that are being provided. There's health and fitness, health books. We have even further breakdowns being provided by the AMC suggestion expander, such as gut health, mental health. Now, if you want to download these keywords, you simply select the download option. So I hope you guys see the importance of keyword research and will utilize these 2 free tools to assist you in ensuring that your books are visible and that you have greater success on the KDP platform. Now, if you want a detailed analysis in terms of how to utilize these 2 free options, please feel free to drop a comment in the comment section to let me know that you have an interest in that type of video.
Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.